Hey ladies, it's your favorite fashionista, Miss Sparkles, and today I want to share with you my latest fashion obsession. But before I get started, you always ask me to show you my bag of the day, so today I'm going to show you my bag of the day. My bag of the day is my Burberry that I got for Christmas. And let me tell you guys, I really love this bag. I didn't think I was going to love it so much, but I always wear it. It seems to match everything better than my Speedy. So I am loving this bag. This is the larger size, but this is the cutest thing to me. I love the lock, pochette. I love that too. And it's just a really cute bag. Well, ladies, let me tell you about my new obsession. Even though I invest in this company, I never thought I would get something from it. It's not a bag. Something from this company. Can you guess what it is? Girl, I got something from Hermes. So, if you think that's something to be interested in, ladies, keep on watching. All right, ladies, to be honest, I've never saw anything at Hermes to move me, but for some reason, the shape of this is two things. So the shape of one really got my interest, and the color of the other thing I was just really excited about. Okay, ladies, enough of me and all this chatting. Let me show you what I got. Okay, so this is what I got. And as you can see, I got it from Fashion Find, and I was able to get the box. And this one was an excellent case, was the rating. All right. It looks like, ta-da! I got a makeup bag. And I know you're thinking, girl, why are you spending so much on a makeup bag? But I thought this was so cute. And I wanted it. And the second thing I got, and you can tell by the container, it is a Twilly. And unlike some people, I really do enjoy scarves. I just love them. All right, and this is what I got. Yes, ladies, I got a makeup bag and a scarf. And it's not just any makeup bag and scarf. It's Hermes. Okay, let me put on my lipstick. All right. And by the way, this is from Dior. This is what I would do. Clip it like that and put it in this spacious bag. All right, my lipstick is on, and I would just take it and drop it in my bag. And it is very spacious. One pocket in the back, and it's split like that. And then on the other side, there's one big pocket. The zipper is very easy. Bam. Love it. And I just love this part too. I've seen ladies in my area use this as a handbag. I'm not sure if I'm going to use mine as a handbag, but I love it just like this. And I may have to spray it with something waterproof or something like that, just so that it would be flawless. All right. And it is called the Canvas Small Bride A-Bac pouch. So, ladies, this bag is so very divine. It's spacious. I can fit my entire makeup collection in this little bag. Yes, I will put on my makeup and my lipstick, and I'll be like ready. I just love it. Now, ladies, these bags come in different colors. This makeup bag, I could have gotten it in a darker color, but I wanted something different, and so I went with a light color. Just Scotch guard it or use something like that on it, and it should be fine. So ladies, if you feel that you're a little clumsy, you could get the makeup bag in a darker color, and you can spray it for protection, and that will keep your bag safe. You can also, I'm sure you can find something to put on the inside so the liner inside won't be messy, or you could put your makeup in another pouch and then put everything in there. I will come back and show you how I used mine. And so this was also in great condition from Fashion File. All right, ladies, let me take this off, and then I'll show you my new Hermes scarf. I think I will show you the scarf first and then put it on. This scarf is so cute because it has women of color on it. And look at this naturalista. Yes, that is so cute. And then this one on the back, the lady has a braid And let's see, on the back side, there's a lady with auburn hair. I'm not sure. That's cute. And then there's a lady on the inside like that. And it's really cute. Like, salute to women. And it's made in France, 100% silk. It's very, very cute. I love it. So, I hope I was able to show you everything that is on here. It is a cutie patootie. I love it. All right, so I'm going to put it on like this. There's so many ways that you can tie your tie, or you can also get the tie ring, either from the store or Fashion File. They have so many different designs. It just depends on what you like. All right, for now, I'm gonna wear it like this. Ooh la la, I feel like I am ready to go stroll in Paris. I love wearing the smaller scarves like this. I tend to wear it like this, and I love wearing it with a collar shirt where I can put the collar shirt up. I just love the luxury around the neck. Ladies, you're definitely gonna get a lot of compliment with this one. So ladies, if you feel like trying something new, being a little fashionista, I would suggest trying Hermes makeup bag, and even starting out with a Twilly. That would get you into the brand, introduce you to the brand. That's what I decided to do. Not sure where I'm gonna go with this brand, but I definitely wanted to try it out. And so far, I am loving it. Ladies, if you like fashion, handbags, beauty, all things cute, then don't forget to subscribe. I need you to hit that button right now, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave a comment. Do you have anything from Hermes? Do you like the brand? I'm very new to the brand. These are the first two things I purchased. So let me know in the comments, do you like Hermes? If you have anything from them, let me know. Ladies, like I always say, don't forget to enjoy life's sweetest things. And ladies, sometimes it's a little bit of luxury. Until next time, au revoir. Goodbye. Ciao. All right, lovelies. See you next time. Bye.